In this lesson, we'll look at the equations of perpendicular lines. In the previous lesson, we learned that parallel lines, as in this diagram, have the same slope. But perpendicular lines have a different relationship, and we'll look at that in this first activity. So we've got 4 diagrams, and each diagram has 2 lines on it. What we should do is find the slope of each line first. So let's do the first one. Let's call this M1. So here, the rise is 1, the run is 1, so the slope is 1. On the other line, the rise is actually -1 because the line is going down left to right. So the slope here would be -1 on 1, which is -1. That's part A. And let's call that slope 2, M2. So for B, we try to form another triangle. Let's do that there. So the rise is 2, the run is 1. So call that M1. The rise is 2 on 1, which is 2. On the other line, we do the same. So in this slope, we've got -1 and 2. So that slope, M2, is -1/2. So we can put those numbers into the table. So we've got 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1. And for part B, we've got 2 and -1/2. So when you multiply those two numbers, 1 times -1 is -1. 2 times -1/2 is -1. What you should do now is do part C and D yourself and fill in the table.